Form the turn. So let's look at this next example where it says you're about to take a test that contains multiple choice questions worth 4 points and short answer questions worth 7 points. You must answer at least 4 of the multiple choice questions and 3 of the short answer questions, but time restricts answering more than 10 of either type. In total, you can answer no more than 18. How many of each type of question must you answer, assuming all of your answers are correct to maximize your score? And what is the maximum score? So 2 variables you have again are going to be, so you have multiple choice questions, which we'll call X. And you have short answer questions, which we'll call Y. Right? And it says you must answer at least 4 of the multiple choice questions and 3 of the short answer questions, but you can't answer more than 10 of either type. So it's restricting you there by saying, well, X, you must answer at least 4 of those, but you can't answer more than 10. And Y, you must answer at least 3 of these, but again, you can't answer more than 10. And here, in total, you can answer no more than 18 total questions. So together, X plus Y has to be less than or equal to 18. Now, to create the profit function Z here, or in this case, it's the total maximum score you can get. You want to maximize it. We know that Z is equal to, well, you get 4 points for every multiple choice question, so that's 4X. And you get 7 points plus 7Y for every short answer question. And we want to maximize this. So again, the first thing we're going to do, we need to make sure we have to answer non-negative constraints. We have to answer some multiple choice questions, and we have to answer some short answer questions. So when we do this, we know that this is the x-axis here is our multiple choice axis. So it's multiple choice questions on the x-axis. And on the y-axis, we have the short answer axis. Right? And now, so we're going to plot these graphs, set these up again. Again, this is the x line, so x is just a vertical line at 4. So we're in between 4. Here's your first line, and 10. We're in between these two values. And then we're in between 3 and 10. And so our shading already is going to take place inside of this box here. That's where the overlap is taking place. Where now we need this line x plus y is less than or equal to 18. So we need to get that equation x plus y less than or equal to 18. Get it to graphing, get it to a slope intercept form so we can graph it. So move the x over, y is less than or equal to negative x plus 18. So here I'm going to plot the y-intercept of 18 and then go down 1 over 1. And I'm looking for the intersection of when things start to intersect here. There we go. And so now I want to shade below that. So because I'm shading below that, that'll be everything right here. And then you can see that this is occurring on a particular thing. We have corner points defined here at 4, 3. We have a corner point that is defined here at 310. I'm sorry, 410. Corner point here at 710. Corner point defined here at 10.8. And your final corner point is here at 10.3. So you get 5 corner points in a particular shape, and that's because this shape is actually being shaded. Blue part is shading down here as well. So you can tell that the shape is from Your actual shape is being made from here to here to here to here. There's the shape of it. So we need to go and maximize our z function, our objective function, which is 4x plus 7y. So taking the points, let's start with 4, 3 first. So we'll start with 4, 3. And we'll go z is equal to 4 times 4 plus 7 times 3. It's a total score of 16 plus 21. So 16 plus 21 is equal to total score of 37. Take the next one, which will be the point here, 410. So 410 is next. Z is equal to 4 times 4 plus 7 times 10, right? That's 16 plus 70, so that's an 86. Take this point, 710. So Z is equal to 4 times 7 plus 7 times 10. That's 28 plus 70. That's equal to 98. At that point, let's take the point 10, 8. So Z equals 4 times 10 plus 7 times 8. So that's 96. And then the last point, 10, 3, is here. So Z is equal to 4 times 10 plus 7 times 3. So that's 40 plus 21 is 61. So here we want to find a maximum score. We're maximizing right here. I'm sorry. We're actually maximizing right here. We're actually maximizing there. So here we answer 7 multiple choice questions and 10 short answers. And 10 short answer questions, right? That'll maximize it with a score of 98 points.